Welcome back to a new Ionic and Capacitor tutorial. Today we are going to focus on the push notifications. Many mobile users are already aware of this notification that they can view from the device lock screen. These notifications are mainly used to convey the reminders, updates, promotions and more. We can say that these are the powerful mobile first communication channel used by many successful apps. So let's see how to implement the push notification in an Android Ionic Angular application. This is the push notification API provided for the capacitor. So let's create a Ionic Angular application with this command. Install the capacitor push notification. In the capacitor.config.ts file, change the application ID. For example, I am adding this one. Change the application name and add the plugin for push notification with the presentation options. This application ID is important because we need it while registering for the push notifications. Now, as per the capacitor push notification API for the Android, we need to set up the Firebase Cloud Messaging Client application. Follow the instruction to set up the account, create a Firebase project and also need to register the application. Now, as per the instruction given, already created here the push notification demo as the application for Android. Open the Android project push notification. You will get the setting options. The project is already set on the Firebase. So after that you will get your project name, project ID, project number. And here this is the application ID. So package name is the important part. Now this package name should match with the application ID in my application. Now here you will get the option download the Google services.json file. On the command prompt, run the command. Android folder is generated. Inside the app folder, below this capacitor.build.gradle, add the Google services.json file. In the HTML file for the home page, just add two buttons here. One just to register for the push notification and another to get the delivered notification. So we need to define these two methods. So import the push notifications. Then define here one method to add the listeners. First listener for registration, second for the registration error, third one for the push notification received, and whatever the action performed on the push notification, that one for the fourth. So if you visit this plugin, you will get here the example. Sample code is given here. Then need to add the two methods. First one is the register push notification. So first check the permissions. Then check the permission status. It can be prompt. It can be not granted. If the permission status is prompt, request the permission for the push notification. And if the permission status is granted, then call the register method. Now get delivered notification. Call here the method and we will display it in alert. So our application site is ready for the push notification. So your package name should reflect here. So in the string.xml. Run this command to deploy the application on the mobile. So I am going to deploy it on my Vivo mobile. In the Take Binomial video series, you will get here how do I make a APK without Android Studio and how to deploy the application. Watch the complete demonstration in part 2 of the tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.